Nose quality, and I'm installing this digital wall clock. As you can see, it's nice and big. It's going to be great. I'm mounting it in my garage where I work out so I can see the time. Very important. So I took the template that comes with it and I've got it on the wall and I'm placing it so that I know where to put the nails that come with it, the provided nails. Yes, very slick. So now I marked the spots for the nails to go. Pretty slick. Now I'm ready to hang it. Now one nice feature is on the back side, you can wrap the cord around this middle part so there's not so much cord hanging down. Very nice touch. It's mounted, it looks great. Now all I need to do is use the provided remote control to help set all the features. I'm very impressed with this digital wall clock and it looks great up on the wall. I recommend it.